After 6 budget battles, a fiscal cliff, and a sequester, has the government gotten any smaller? A little. In 2010, the government spent $3.457 trillion. This year it will spend $3.455 trillion. It would take the U.S. Treasury 270 years to print out that many dollar bills. Some of that federal money pays for the government's 399,000 buildings. That's enough office space to cover the District of Columbia with cubicles. Twice. The federal government employs 4.1 million people. That's fewer than in 2010. But even today, if the U.S. government was a state, its population would be the 27th biggest in the country. The government has so many federal rules, it's lost count. But we do know that as time goes by, rules go up. Today, there are enough pages in the Code of Federal Regulations to fill 120 copies of War and Peace. Every year, the government pays out about $2 trillion for entitlement programs that haven't been reformed. It pays $193 million for a subsidy helping small airports, a subsidy that was supposed to end in 1988. However, in a sure sign of progress, the government shut down this website for folk singing forest rangers. That saved $125. So, the government may be a little smaller now, but that doesn't mean it's much smarter. And that's where we stand with the 7th budget showdown now on the horizon.